Hello friends, this is Shruti and again I am here with my next video, and today in this video we'll discuss about parallel lines and transversal. इससे previous videos में हमने discuss किया था कि अगर कोई भी parallel lines intersect करते हैं या फिर अगर normally भी pair of lines हैं और वो एक transversal अगर उनको intersect करती है तो कौन कौन से angles form होंगे, वो सब हमने डिटेल में previous video में discuss किया था. So now we are trying to find out the relationship among those angles. और जो भी relationship होगा वो सिर्फ तब hold करता है जब lines कैसी होंगी, parallel. So आज हम वही discuss करेंगे that what happens if a transversal is intersecting a pair of parallel lines. So the first rule says if a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, okay, if a transversal is intersecting a pair of parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में डिस्कस किया था कि कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के कितने पेयर्स फॉर्म होते हैं. सो दिस रूल इज सेइंग कि अगर ट्रांसवर्सल एक पैरेलल लाइन के पेयर को इंटरसेक्ट करती है देन ईच पेयर ऑफ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इज इक्वल. जितने भी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल के पेयर फॉर्म होते थे वो सब क्या होंगे, इक्वल. ओके, सो सपोज आई एम कंसिडरिंग अ पेयर ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस हियर एंड दिस इज माय ट्रांसवर्सल. ओके, सो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के जितने भी पेयर्स फॉर्म होते थे वो इक्वल होंगे. सो सपोज वी आर नेमिंग दीज एंगल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस रूल सेइंग कि कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के पेयर इक्वल होंगे. ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई ईच पेयर ऑफ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. एंगल 1 इज इन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस विद एंगल 5. सो एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 5. Then angle 2 is in correspondence with 6. So angle 2 equals to angle 6. Then we have angle 3 equals to angle 7. And the last pair is angle 4 equals to angle 8. So this is the first relationship. Now let's see the second relationship. If a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines. This condition is very important. The line should be parallel. If your lines are intersecting, then the condition will not hold. If a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So now this rule is saying, again we have same condition, but this time it is saying that each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So let's see. Okay, we can consider the same figure. इसमें ही we can identify alternate interior angles. So see, interior ones को ही हम consider करेंगे because alternate interior angles is here. So angle 3 is making alternate interior with angle 5. So angle 3 equals to angle 5. And then angle 4 equals to angle 6. We have just these two pairs of alternate interior angles. So these two pairs of angles will be equal. Angle 3 equals to angle 5 and angle 4 equals to angle 6. So this is the rule. बट अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि सपोज हमने कंसिडर कर लिया कि हाँ ठीक है कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, बट whenever we have a figure तो हम आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे that this is a corresponding pair of angle or this is an alternate interior pair of angle, so that we can apply this rule. So now we'll see how to identify corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. Okay. every time you can remember that if you want to identify a pair of corresponding angles, so suppose this is a pair of parallel lines intersected by a transversal. Okay, now in this case we want to identify a pair of corresponding angles. So हमने पहले लिखा था कि ये वाला जो है ये इसके साथ correspondence form करता है. So how can you identify this? To identify a pair of corresponding angles, what can you do is you can just see the formation of alphabet F. Okay, I am highlighting this. Can you see? This is the alphabet F marked by green. Okay, we can see the alphabet F formation here, and then these angles are corresponding angles. So your alphabet F will mark the formation of corresponding angles. And not just this type of formation. See, if I am inverting this F, again see, pair of parallel lines intersected by a transversal. Okay, so we can see an F here. This one. This is an F. So again you can see कौन से angles बन रहे ये वाले. So these are a pair of corresponding angles. So we have identified two pairs. हम और भी identify कर सकते हैं. Okay. So let's see how can you identify. See. Again we have an F. This is the F. So corresponding angles. In this case also we have F. Okay, so F में फिर से we have a pair of corresponding angles. So whenever you are seeing this F letter F formation, you can conclude that a corresponding angles will form. So this letter F will mark the formation of corresponding angles. So this F can be in any form. ऐसा नहीं है कि just ऐसे standard form में ही होगा. वो invert भी कर सकते हैं हम उसको, इसकी mirror image भी हो सकती है, ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है. But if you are observing F formation, then you can surely say कि corresponding angles जो है वो बन रहे होंगे. So this is how you can identify corresponding angles. Similarly, we can identify alternate interior angles. Because once identified, you can apply the rule और हम बोल सकते हैं कि okay, this angle is equals to this because they are corresponding or they are alternate interior. So now let's try to see how can you identify alternate interiors. Okay, we will consider two cases. So that's why I am making two figures where the lines are parallel and a transversal is intersecting them. Okay, so see this formation. Okay, you can just identify the alphabet. This is what ये बना है यहाँ पर. What is this? Z. So this Z alphabet will mark the formation of alternate interior angle. See, this and this. So ये दोनों क्या है? Alternate interior angle. So alphabet Z will mark the formation of alternate interior angles. Similarly, we can identify another pair. Okay, इस बारी कैसे Z form हो रहा है? इस टाइप से. Again a Z is formation. So Z is forming here. So alternate interior angles. So your alphabet Z will mark the formation of alternate interior angles. So now whenever you want to identify that the pair of angles is having a relationship because of corresponding angles or because of alternate interior angles, you can just observe these two alphabets. If you can see F formation, you will conclude that the angles are corresponding, and if you can see Z, you can say that the angles are alternate interior ones. And then if your lines are parallel, you can say that the pair of corresponding angle or the pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so I hope with this your identification of angles will be easier, and if you like this, please like the video and share it with your friends so that they can also identify this pair. Also, if you want to study in detail about these angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior or some more angles, you can just see my previous video. वहां पे हमने सब डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था. ओके, सो इसमें हम और रिलेशनशिप्स और सब डिस्कस करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. Thanks for watching this one.